Hey everyone, I'm out here in my garage because I just got a pack of 4 LED garage lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and get one installed and show you what it looks like. But first, let's take a look at it. They're gonna come packaged nicely like this. So you're gonna go ahead and just take the packaging off. And they are going to look like this with 6 adjustable panels. And you can move these from 0 to 90 degrees, however you need to direct your light. There's gonna be a total of 312 LED lights in each one. And they're super simple to install. We'll just take the plastic off the top here, and they screw in just like a regular light bulb. There's 4 bases also included, as well as the hardware and instructions. So if you do need to install them completely, you have everything you need to do that. So I love these because it's going to really brighten up the space. My husband likes to work out here in the evening, and the light bulb just leaves a lot of dark spots and spaces. So these are going to be perfect. And you can also use them in like an auto shop or workshop, your basement, attic. So they're not just for the garage. You get 4 of them, so you could, place a couple in the garage and in the basement, or however you need to. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this screwed in and show you what it looks like. Okay, so it is so much brighter. You can tell a difference just from the regular light bulb I had in there before to now, how much more this brightens up the garage. Super simple install. Just screw it in. It will screw into an E26 or E27 base, and they're super durable, long lasting. So definitely check these out. I hope you learned something today. Thanks so much for watching.